I'm glad you could join us, Mike. I trust that your training is going smoothly and I'm sure you're eager to join one of the project teams.
Very much so, Heidi. I'm just glad you guys had an opening. So much of pharmaceutical development is being outsourced to China and India these days. Is there an opening on any of the teams now?
Whoa. Not so fast, Mike.
I'm really eager to get started.
Well, we could use you in a Kaizen event that is just about to start.
A Kaizen what?
A Kaizen event. It's like a cause map, except without the cause.
Okay. And so, what is a cause map again?
Wow. Really? What do they teach in graduate school these days? A cause map is started when there has been a problem on one of the projects. The cause of the problem is tracked and mapped. Basically, a cause map is a substitute for independent thought.
Ah, I see. A cause map is like troubleshooting?
Much more than that. Cause maps are the future of troubleshooting. Cause maps remove all individual input and responsibility.
And this Kaizen event that you would like me to participate in, it is like a cause map?
Yes, but without the cause. A Kaizen event is sort of like a cause map, but before there has been an incident. We basically look into the future and determine what is likely to go wrong down the road, and then we fix it ahead of time. There was an SOP on this that you should have read in your introductory matrix box.
Okay then. So, I guess my first assignment will involve participation in this Kaizen event. And then, after that, perhaps you will have a project for me.
Slow down, Mike. There's so much more to this job than mere projects. After the Kaizen event, I'll probably put you on one of our lean initiatives. Most likely 5S.
Okay. 5 what?
Seriously? Did you learn nothing in graduate school? 5S is the wave of the future. This is something else that you should have already read about in your introductory matrix box. The 5 S's are sort, straighten, sweep, standardize, and sustain. It is the methodology and philosophy of being tidy and well organized, Mike. It is the wave of the future.
Yeah. This all sounds a little crazy. So, after I do the Kaizen event and this 5S whatever it is, then can I get on a project team?
I'll have to ideate on that for a while. To be honest, Mike, I'm a little disappointed that you are not more enthusiastic about our important initiatives. You are not sounding like much of a team player here.
If you want me to be a team player, then perhaps you should put me on a team.
You certainly are an eager beaver.
Look, I'm a little confused. I am a chemist. I thought you hired me to do chemistry, but so far all I've heard is gibberish about 5S and Kaizen events and operational excellence and matrix boxes. Don't you do chemistry here?
Chemistry is the past, Mike. We are the future. Don't worry. I'm sure that after you've completed your training and have learned to be a team player, we will have a project assignment for you to sink your teeth into. But it won't involve doing any chemistry. Once you join a project team, you'll be assigned a specific portion of the chemistry. Mostly, your job will consist of selecting companies in China where that chemistry may be outsourced.
Ah, I see. So then, we just come up with the ideas here. Is that it?
No. We mostly get our ideas from other companies, either by acquiring the companies or by licensing in their projects.
So then, what we do at our site is develop the projects. We take the raw laboratory processes and we develop them so that they are suitable for manufacturing. Is that it?
That's how it was in the past, Mike. Now, most of the development work is done at our corporate headquarters before the projects are transferred to our site.
So, the company gets projects from other companies. The projects are developed at our corporate headquarters and then transferred to us. And then we portion out the work to Chinese firms.
Check the big brain on Mike. Now you're getting it.
So then, what exactly do we do between receiving a project and outsourcing it?
We ideate. We read the memos and write memos on what we've read. We Kaizen and 5S. Shock and awe.
And they pay us for that?
Oh yes, Mike. High five.
It sounds a little scary. Aren't we awfully expendable then? Why doesn't the company simply close our site and bypass us altogether?
Hush. Don't say that too loudly, Mike. The walls have ears.
So, is it lunchtime yet?
Now you're talking like a team player, Mike. Let's go.